Hello, I'm Helen Clare Gould and I write science fiction, fantasy and the occasional horror story. I've also been running writing and self-publishing courses for other writers since 2013, which is what I'm here to talk about. I was a professional trainer for 6 years and an evening class tutor for 5 years when I also taught writing and geology, and I have qualifications in writing and delivering courses. If you're put off by the genre that I write in, let me explain that the rules of writing apply equally to any genre, be it crime or historical fiction or any other fiction genre that you can name. Today, I want to talk about how writers lay out their work. How can you represent different kinds of dialogue on the page? Most of you will be familiar with the use of italics for thoughts, and for narrative and description, regular text is fine. For body language, you'll just use your choice of font in its regular format and describe it in your text. For the dialogue that a character says, put their speech in inverted commas and use the regular font. Here's an example. I've been staying in Paris. I wish. Make sure full stops, commas, question marks and exclamation marks at the end of the sentence are inside the inverted commas, with no extra spaces before them or the closing inverted commas. Now, what about if you want to clue the reader in that your next sentence is spoken by a computer? Well, you can use square or curly brackets. How about if your character is sending a telepathic message? Is greater than, is smaller than brackets work well for me, and I've seen messages bracketed with asterisks or even tildes. Now, what about mixing up several speakers in one paragraph? This can be very confusing for readers, especially if they're reading fast. Always tease it apart and give each speaker a new paragraph. It's also really off-putting to some readers to see great blocky paragraphs, so break up blocks of text with dialogue. And if you'd like to find out more, why not come to my online workshop entitled Dialogue in July? I look forward to seeing you there.